Hello and welcome. I'm Yogesh, Faculty, Department of AIML, SIRT Bhopal. In today's lecture, we are going to take a quick look on the topic, which is Introduction to Python, getting started with programming basics. At first, what we are going to discuss, which is at first we see why Python. After that, we'll see a little bit history of Python. Then after programming cycle of the Python, and at the end, we'll see the running environment of Python, how we can create running environment, and is there any types of environment we can create. This kind of thing we are going to discuss in coming lecture. Okay, then first, why Python? Python is easy to learn, relatively fast, object oriented, strongly typed, widely used, and portable. These are some properties of the Python. And if we are going to compare the Python from the other language like C, then C is much faster but harder to use. And if we are going to compare it with Java, then Java is as fast and slightly harder to use. And Perl is slower, is as easy to use, but not a strongly typed language. And what is strongly typed language? Which we are going to see later on. Okay. Now, next slide, brief history of Python. History, it is invented in the Netherlands, early 90s. Guido van Rossum is the inventor of the Python. Or the named after Monty Python's Flying Circle. It is a television show which was telecast in USA at that time. It is open source from the beginning, considered a scripting language, but is much more scalable, object oriented, and functional from the beginning. Used by Google from the beginning. He is the inventor of the Python. What he says about Python, I am quoting his own word, line by line. He said that Python is an experiment in how much freedom programmers need. Too much freedom, and nobody can read another's code. Too little, and expressiveness is unguarded. It's said by the Guido van Rossum. Now, this is the simple cycle of the Python programming code. At first, coder or programmer write a code, then go for run with some input. If it is everything is okay, then go for more input. It ask for more input. If there is no input, then it is finished. And if there is yes, then it's go back to the run from the input state. Okay, these are basic cycle of the Python running code. Now, installation and running environment of Python. There are three types of running environment which we can create. At first, we can use it from the command prompt. Directly download the Python from the official website, install it in your machine, and run it from the command prompt. Also, another environment is download IDs, various type of integrated development environment. You can download it like Anaconda distribution, Spider, this kind of VS Code. This is the IDs. You can also use it from the IDs, and online. You can also use online compiler with Google Colab. You just log in with your credential and all the running environment provided by the third party. In Google Colab, in this case, Google is provide all kind of running environment for running the Python code. This is the official website of the Python. We can download it. We can see it with latest version. We can see in their website. We can check the documentation part. All things is available from this website. This is official python.org official website of the Python. This is the IDs platform, Python IDs, Anaconda distribution. We can download it from the internet. It's free to download, install it in our computer machine, and it is ready to use. They provide notebook, various kind of libraries. They provide bunch of libraries. We can now libraries provided by this kind of IDs. And this is the view of the Google Colab. You can just log in with your Google ID password and you can use it. That's all for today. Thank you very much.